Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today let's clean. It is the weekend and we are definitely in need of a good clean out. Okay, if y'all know, y'all know. Y'all have kids get very messy. So I need some more cleaning supplies. I'm gonna have to head out to Dollartree. So you're gonna see me heading over there because I can't find the pine sol, and I also think I need some awesome. That's like this great cleaner that they sell, and it kills everything. It also kills roaches, in case people don't know. But we clean out the toilet with my Livman brush. This is like my least favorite thing to do, but I gotta do it. Who else gonna do it? Not my daughter. But we clean the tub. I put our thing back. I took it out. Nothing really sticks to that. So because we don't have a towel, we have a standing towel. Sorry about the noise. You know, my mini me is behind me every time. So I pulled up. Okay, next to my truck. Hello. I had some food on me, some donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. I had to dust it off. Hey guys. But I'm heading in. I was like, she was screaming, and the lady was like, please, you know, that's all they do all the time. I was like, girl, I ain't trying to hear that today. Okay, I want to be in and out. She in the truck with her aunt. They good. Anyway, here we go. Swear, I was never this out of here, mommy. But we at Dunkin', of course. Y'all already know we gotta end that day off right. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all in our next video because somebody is craving my attention, as always. Bye, guys.